Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're checking out the top 3 best digital multimeters that offer accuracy, safety, and powerful features for technicians, electricians, and DIY users. If you want reliable tools for electrical testing, this list is for you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Mastfuyi FY19XF digital multimeters. The Mastfuyi FY19XF digital multimeter is designed for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision, safety, and versatility in one compact device. This multimeter supports wide capacitance testing up to 100,000 microfarads, allowing users to accurately measure a broad range of components, from small capacitors to large industrial capacitors. Its high-resolution backlit LCD ensures that readings are easily visible even in dimly lit environments, enhancing usability during night work or in low-light conditions. Safety is a key focus in the FY19XF, with smart anti-burn protection integrated to prevent damage to the device and reduce risks for the operator. This feature makes it suitable for both beginners who are learning the basics of electrical testing and experienced professionals handling complex circuits. Additionally, the dual alarm system provides immediate feedback during measurements, combining an audible buzzer with a flashing LED to alert users to live circuits or confirm continuity, enhancing both efficiency and safety during testing. The multimeter's high-voltage capability further extends its usefulness, measuring up to 2,000 volts AC or DC. This makes it an ideal choice for industrial environments, solar installations, or high-voltage troubleshooting where precise readings are critical. Compact yet robust, the Mastfuyi FY19XF digital multimeter merges advanced functionality with practical design, making it a reliable tool for a wide range of electrical diagnostic tasks. Its combination of wide measurement capacity, clear display, advanced protection, and intelligent alerting system ensures that users can approach complex electrical challenges with confidence and accuracy. Whether working in industrial settings, performing solar system maintenance, or handling everyday electronics, the Mastfuyi FY19XF offers a dependable solution for precise and safe measurements. Coming in at number 2, we have the Aneng AN870 digital multimeters. The AN870 digital multimeter is a versatile, battery-powered instrument designed for accurate electrical measurements. Featuring true RMS capability, this multimeter ensures precise readings for both AC and DC signals, making it suitable for a wide range of electrical diagnostics. Its auto-ranging function simplifies operation by automatically selecting the correct measurement range, while the 19,999 count LCD display provides high-resolution readings for enhanced clarity. The backlight feature allows users to work effectively in low-light environments, ensuring visibility in all conditions. Safety is a key consideration with the Aneng AN870. Users are advised to carefully review the safety instructions before use to prevent electrical shock, fire, or injury. The multimeter should never be subjected to voltages exceeding the specified maximum values. Before measuring higher voltages, it is essential to inspect the test leads and ensure the insulation integrity of the device. The test leads must be disconnected when switching measurement modes to avoid hazards. Additionally, incorrect mode or range selection may trigger the OL display, indicating an out-of-range condition. With its combination of high-resolution display, auto-ranging functionality, and built-in safety precautions, the Aneng AN870 digital multimeter provides reliable performance for both professionals and hobbyists. Its compact, battery-powered design makes it convenient for portable use, while the user-friendly interface ensures that accurate measurements can be obtained quickly and safely across a variety of electrical applications. This multimeter is an essential tool for anyone needing dependable measurement and troubleshooting capabilities in electrical circuits. And finally, at number 1, we have the Uni-t 61B Plus digital multimeters. The Uni-UT61B Plus digital multimeter is a versatile and reliable tool designed for precise electrical measurements. Part of the UT61 Plus series, these multimeters feature true RMS measurement, ensuring accurate readings for both AC and DC signals. With high display counts of 6,000 and 22,000, the UT61B Plus can measure voltages up to 1,000 volts, making it suitable for both professional and advanced hobbyist applications. Safety is a core feature of the UT61B Plus. It comes equipped with audible and visible alarms that provide warnings when measuring high voltage, current, or temperature, helping prevent accidents. The device also includes input protection to safeguard the multimeter from unexpected electrical surges. Functionality is enhanced with several practical features. The multimeter offers max, min, relative modes for detailed analysis, data hold and backlight for convenient reading in low light conditions, and non-contact voltage detection for safe voltage checks without direct contact. Additional capabilities include diode and continuity testing, making it suitable for troubleshooting circuits and components. The UT61B Plus also supports USB communication, allowing users to connect it to computers for data logging and analysis. Combining robust design, advanced measurement capabilities, and enhanced safety features, the Uni-t UT61B Plus stands out as a reliable choice for precise and efficient electrical testing. Ready to upgrade your electrical testing toolkit? These multimeters offer precision, safety, and powerful features for every type of user. Check the price link in the description to learn more, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations.